What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and today we're going to be actually peeling the dash. I don't know, well, most of y'all should know that the Silverados, they come like, I don't know, like the top dash sometimes starts peeling, and under it, you know, whatever color you have, dark brown, light brown, dark gray, light gray, whatever color you have, it's black. You know, under it is black, and that's perfect, guys. That's perfect. So today I'm gonna try to peel the dash all the way, and we're actually gonna be taking a little shortcut on it. A while back, one of my friends, he used the pressure washer to peel it all the way, and it turned out real good. So we're gonna take off the dash, and we're gonna run to the car wash and see if we can use that. I know you can do it with the heat gun, heat it up and start peeling it, but that's gonna be way too long. The dash, you know, is pretty big, so we're gonna try to do it the easy way, and that's what we're gonna do right now, guys. Alright, guys, so I already have started peeling, you know, the sides, but it's a lot, guys. It's a lot. If you're just trying to peel it by hand, it's a lot. And you know, the dash ain't that bad, and I just want to get it done real fast. I haven't even put the pillars back or nothing like that, but once the dash is all peeled, I'm gonna go ahead and put them pillars back, and we're gonna jump to the, after that we're gonna jump to the door panels. I got these just hanging here, guys. I needed it just to connect the little thing so I could put the windows down, but I found these, guys, and found these, and I'm gonna try to see if I can just put them on. Obviously they're not gonna work. Obviously they're not gonna work, I know that for sure, but I think they will look nice. I think they'll look good, you know, right here, you know, where they go. Find a way to mount them. So that's gonna be pretty much this video, guys. Hopefully we can get it all in one video. I don't want to make the video too long and bore y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and take the dash off, and we're gonna do that, guys. Now we're gonna see if we can run to the car wash and peel it all off real fast, real easy. So I'm out here at the car wash, and I'm already halfway done with it, guys. The pressure washer, well, the pressure here at this car wash, guys, is pretty strong. So if your dash is flimsy or has a crack, you know, you might want to grab onto it pretty good. But it's simple, and I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all, you know, how I'm doing it. Alright, guys, so this is how it turned out. It's all black. It's all black. So I know it's gonna go good with the red pillars, and we're also gonna be doing a little bit more black as well. But we're gonna run back to the house, and it's already getting dark, so I don't know if I have time to put it on, but we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so we made it back from the car wash last night, and it was already late, so I couldn't really record. But the dash is all black now, guys, and she's dirty. She's dirty. She got that water mark. I didn't have nothing to dry her with, so you know, I just left it like that. But she's all black now. We're gonna throw on the pillars, and you know, I'm still missing little spots like right here. Nothing major, but we're gonna paint these little vents. I'm already have them upstairs, and we're gonna go ahead and put the pillars and see how it's starting to look. Alright guys, so I got the pillars on, and they look good. They look good, guys. Right now, guys, we're gonna be working on that handle. We're gonna be working on this handle. The handle that goes right here, it's actually brown, and we're gonna actually be doing it black. And it's leather, but I'll show you right now what I'm talking about. But what do y'all think so far? What do y'all think? I know the interior is like halfway, but you know, it's looking pretty good. I'm starting to like it way more. We're gonna go ahead and paint the vents. These vents, we're gonna paint them red, and we're gonna. I don't know if we're gonna have enough time, guys. It looks like it's gonna rain again. Look at that. But if we do have enough time, we're gonna come and take these door panels off, and we're gonna start working on the door panels. But it's starting to come together, guys. Starting to come together. So what's up, guys? We ended up going to the store, and we didn't find nothing that I could use. So I ended up grabbing some spray paint. I looked online, I looked up some videos here on YouTube, and it said you can use spray paint as long as it says vinyl, fabric, and obviously it's going to be for metal and all that stuff. But if you read the back of the label, as long as it says fabric and vinyl, you can use it. So we're going to go ahead and paint the handle, guys. Hopefully it turns out good. I already tried it on one side, and it looks pretty good. The handle is actually a dark brown, and we're trying to go with the black, black handle. So hopefully it turns out good, and it matches the dash on the truck, and supposedly dries like in 30 minutes to an hour. But we're gonna go ahead and leave it drying a good little while. If anything, we'll just go throw it on the truck, and we'll go from there, guys. But I also want to know what y'all think about the interior so far. A lot of people have been telling me, why am I going that route? Why am I painting them? Why am I painting the interior? And hey guys, the truck, it was cheap. The truck, I got it for $800. I don't know if I told anybody before, but I got the truck for $800, and she's not perfect, guys. She's not perfect, so I want to have fun with the truck. If you like it, it's good. If you don't like it, well, what can I say? The truck is not perfect. The truck needs work. We're gonna get the truck looking good. A lot of people are questioning, hey man, what are you doing? You know, why are you painting the pillars? Why did you paint the pillars? You should have just put the tweeters and left it like that. Yeah, I could have done that. Guys. But then I still needed to peel the dash, and you know, it would have looked black, and everything else would have been that dark gray, and you know, it would have been the same thing. A lot of people are questioning me, hey man, why did you paint the steering wheel? Because I wanted to, pretty much. And we're gonna continue doing whatever I want to do to the truck, because it's my truck. And if you don't like it, you know, well, oh well. Like I said, guys, the truck wasn't that expensive. It was $800. Yeah, I put the wheels, and you know, what done an oil change, and you know, maintenance, some brakes, and that's about it. So we're gonna keep on going with that, guys. We're gonna go ahead and paint this handle, and y'all let me know what y'all think. I appreciate all the love. I appreciate everything, guys. But let's jump to it and see how it goes. So this is the handle, guys. It's like a dark brown, and I already tried some of the paint. So you got it black, and it dries pretty fast, guys. It says 30 minutes. I actually found it at AutoZone, and it's dry pretty much, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and spray it down, paint it, let it dry, and we're gonna throw it on the truck, see what it looks like. Alright, guys, so I got the handle painted. I have the handle painted already, guys. I haven't pushed it all the way in because it's still wet. I didn't have nowhere to hang it, so I was like, man, I'm gonna just go ahead and slide it in where it goes. So I'm gonna leave it drying probably overnight. But we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on the doors. And I was thinking maybe painting this part red, and painting this part red, adding the little buttons, adding these. Obviously they're not gonna work, but I think they would look good. You know, it's all the little details that really matter, guys. But this door panel, I really don't like it. It's kind of faded. It's kind of old. I don't know, maybe I could paint the screen or something. I'm gonna look online and get some ideas. But if you have any ideas, yeah, guys, like I was saying, if you have any ideas on the door panels, on what I should paint, and let me know, guys. I don't think I'm gonna be painting the door panels in this video. I'm probably gonna wait a couple of days. I'm actually gonna try to take off the door panels right now, so we can get those buttons installed, and you know, make the interior look a little bit better. But if you have any ideas, hit me up on Instagram, on Facebook, send me a picture on Snapchat, on wherever, so we get this painted. Hopefully we find something good. I was thinking maybe painting this, and maybe this, and maybe this, guys. Since I already have, you know, the cover for the switches already painted red, and maybe this one red, and then the rest of the door will go with black. But y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm thinking I'm just gonna do the front half of the truck first, and then I'll worry about the back, since really I always be riding alone, and I don't really ride with nobody other than my girl. I was thinking maybe putting a system all the way across in the bottom, not up high or nothing, but maybe just like to the level of the seat. And obviously, guys, I've been wanting to put that 3-piece window, the one that I have at the shop. I want to go ahead and custom fit it. I've been trying to find out what it goes to, but I haven't been able to. I ran the little numbers and everything, and I looked online to see if I can compare them, but I can't really find one. But I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and try to put it on, and if we can't, you know, for whatever reason we can and it just can't be put on, I'll go back with my stock window. But I just don't want that window sitting there. You know, I paid $120 for it, and I'm gonna try to make it work. But here in the next few days, guys, we're gonna be trying to get the transmission problem situated, because you know the truck's been down like 2 weeks already, and we're also gonna try to make it to Sideways Saturday, and it's like probably like a month from now, and you know, we really gotta get things going, because the Trailblazer ain't done. You know, it's not running right, and obviously the truck is down. So we're gonna try to make it out there, guys, and we're gonna see what happens. But really, I want to go out there, and you know, the whole show is pretty much about Sideways Saturday. You know, getting sideways, and I actually want to get down on the truck, you know, and get it out there, and, you know, get sideways, like they say. But we're gonna get back to the door panels, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off right now. We're gonna work on that inside.